Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. This is another unboxing, and this one was made possible by WatchNet. They contacted me and asked me if I'm willing to mention their site, and in exchange they'll send me one of their offerings free of charge. So I went to their webpage and selected one of the watches. Now they offer quite a lot of brands, but what I liked the most was their selection of cheap, simple Casio watches. So I selected one of those, and in here is actually one of the most iconic Casio watches you can imagine. So let's unbox it and see what it is. Whee! Let's move this away, and here it is in a pretty cool, simple Casio box, and it actually comes on a stand, which is something I love about these really cheap Casio watches. And as you can see, it's a CA-53W, and look at it. This is the legendary Casio calculator watch. This watch is truly a legend. Look at it. It's so geeky. It has basically become a part of pop culture. Let's just wait for the camera to focus, and there we go. It's just so cool. Now, if you're into pop culture, into movies, you don't need to spend a lot of money to wear a Rolex that James Bond wore or an Omega. You can actually get one of these, and this watch was probably featured in more shows and more movies than Rolex and Omega together. I mean, there's so many shows that it's impossible to name them all, but a couple of most popular ones is probably Back to the Future, where Marty McFly or Michael J. Fox's character wears one. And the other one that I can think of the top of my head is Walter White from Breaking Bad, where Bryan Cranston's character, named Walter White, also wears one. But like I said, it's been in so many shows, it's really hard to imagine them all. I mean, to remember them all. I remember Simon Pegg also wore one in the movie Paul, and so on and so forth. It is a really cool watch, and I wanted to do a review of it for a very long time. And it's very simple, and one thing that, the only flaw that this watch has is the lack of a backlight. Because if you're lacking backlight on a digital watch, it means that it's pretty much useless in the dark. But other than that, this is just amazing. It's very light, it's very comfortable on wrist, it's really geeky, and it looks cool. It represents like the 80s and early 90s in a perfect way. Anyways, just like with all my unboxing videos, do stay tuned for a full review and also a tutorial for this watch. Now, I will be leaving a link in the description to the WatchNet webpage, because like I said, their selection of these cool retro and old-fashioned Casio watches is really great, and also I have to admit their prices are pretty good, because this was under $20, and for that you get an icon. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this video, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.